Guys, all the attractions places are closed, so no choice. I cannot show you more than that. But it is still better that we can travel today, because after today, I mean that in 2 more days, the lockdown measure is going to be more strict. We are not allowed to travel more than 15 kilometers from our house. So today is still good, and after 2 days, the authorities are going to patronize all the attractions places, all the tourist places. They are going to control the places where tourists always go. So I don't think so we can travel anymore after 2 days. I can show you some of the views from here. There is a small river running on. Hello everyone, happy morning here in Germany. We are now in Allgäu region. It is weekend and we came out for a walk around the mountain, because it is still a lockdown period, and tomorrow is the last day of the second lockdown. But too bad, unfortunately, the lockdown is going to be extended. After tomorrow, the lockdown is going to be extended, and the lockdown measure is going to be more strict than the second lockdown. It's too bad. Many attraction places are closed, and I don't think so we can travel more than before after 2 days. Here because the snow is not wet enough to make snowman. Maybe next time. Too bad. So guys, actually we wanted to bring you guys to have a look on the waterfall, but no choice, the waterfall is closed. So now we are going to drive to another place. Let us see if there is a nice view in there. Okay.
The main rivers that flowing through the Allgäu are the Lech and Iller. The alpine regions rise over 2,000 meters in altitude and are popular for winter skiing. So guys, if you drive around, you will see beautiful landscapes along the way. Guys, you may take some snapshots of the beautiful views.
Guys, I end my mini tour here. Today we can only have a short tour, a short walking tour around Allgäu. So this is a Allgäu region. As you can see, the mountain is not very high. I think it's about 1,200 meters from the sea level. But it is not bad to have a walk in here during lockdown. If you like my video, don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe for the next travel clip. See you again.